Welcome back to the channel. My name is James. I'm the lead coach of the Endeavour Network, and today we're concluding our Coaching Uncut series, Things to Consider, Why Use a Business Plan. And the reason number 5 is, I'm just asking a simple question that maybe you've gotten a few steps down the road. Maybe you're a couple of years into your business building experience. The question simply here is, when was the last time you reviewed your business plan? And it's really interesting to, you look at what you've planned out, then you compare it to what you've done. And are you satisfied, which was the emphasis of the last video in the series. But today I'm saying, you're going to carry on, and, that document gets old as time goes on, and as you have new experiences and new directions. And so you may want to go back and review that every once in a while, just to kind of see how things have grown compared to where you started. Basically, it's an acorn to oak tree kind of journey. And of course, the final comment here is plans change. So, when you think about business plan, it is something that you have to have laid out, start out with, knowing at least the direction that you're going. Do some research in your homework. Get confident about your value propositions. But as you move forward, things are going to change. It's like sailing a ship. I mean, you see the sailing ship metaphor all over Endeavour Network. The idea there is it takes a crew. There's a lot of discipline, but you have the freedom of the whole ocean. But the ocean can throw all kinds of unforeseen circumstances at you, and you have to be willing to move and pivot and adapt with that. But that's the power of being somebody who captains their own ship in their own small business. That's the power and the beauty of it, is that you have the ability to adapt to change. So I hope you find this helpful today, and we look forward to seeing you in more Coaching Uncuts. If you'd like to become a supporter of the channel, please visit us over at locals.com. You can become a monthly supporter and get access to even more content. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next Coaching Uncut series.